Hi, I'm Sarah Small with Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty. I'm here today at 2807 South Wrightsville Avenue at milepost 10 3/4 in Nags Head. This home is tucked away on the oceanside on a quiet street. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom beach cottage is located just 945 feet from the Barn Street beach access and offers open living areas and lots of natural light. Enjoy a beach lifestyle without the worries of oceanside maintenance or potential flooding. This home is located in an ex-flood zone and no flood insurance is required. If you love the fresh, salty seaside air, then you're going to love this home. Spread out and enjoy the 600 square feet of deck space. The front door and the master bedroom open onto a large deck running the home's length with an additional set of stairs leading to a tiki bar. The second bedroom has sliding glass doors leading out onto a cozy private deck with stairs to an extra rooftop deck nestled in the branches of a live oak tree, or stairs downstairs to the tiki bar. An oversized sun porch with lots of natural light provides a second living area or an extra space for a home office, virtual classroom, or an air mattress for visitors. The kitchen has more storage and cabinet space than you'll ever need, and a breakfast bar with an adjacent dining area. The open concept allows for easy entertaining. This home is being sold furnished with just a few exclusions and would be a turnkey rental with an annual estimated rental income of $29,000. The master bedroom and bathroom have a private entrance and exit, providing the owners with the opportunity to close it off from the rest of the house and rent it as a short-term rental. The downstairs has ample covered parking, a picnic area, a laundry room with a half bathroom, a tiki bar, and a spacious outdoor shower. There's also a utility room perfect for beach gear and bikes. The tiki bar is a great place to hang after the beach and gather with your friends and family. If you're interested in this property, give me, Sarah Small, a call at 252-722-3641.